Hey guys, Kimani here on Super Tech, and today I'm going to be telling you my favorite tech of the year. So first, it's going to be the 16-inch MacBook Pro. The reasons are because of the new features Apple has implemented, such as the larger display, the 6-speaker sound system, and the new keyboard that fixes the butterfly keyboard issues that the previous 15-inch MacBook Pro had. All these features add up to make the super MacBook that everyone has wanted. One of the pieces of tech that I think has stood out to me this year has been the AirPods Pro, mainly because of the new features Apple has added, such as noise cancellation, transparency mode, and the better sound quality, and the new ear tips which fit in most people's ears. So yeah, AirPods Pro. Piece of tech that I think has stood out the most is the Mac Pro. One of the reasons being the tremendous price tag of £50,000. I could literally buy a Tesla Model 3 with that money. And a new Pro XDR display, which is the most vivid LCD display on the market right now. But the £1,000 stand is ridiculous. But if you're in a studio or you have a business and you need this machine, that should be no problem for you. The best phones that I think has come out this year has been the iPhone 11 Pro Max. One of the reasons being because of the triple camera lens, which many people seem to hate the look of, but I personally like it because I'm the biggest Apple fanboy you will know. And the new processor with the new midnight green color, which is absolutely beautiful. I like it. And the stainless steel frame, which looks amazing. And yeah, one of the best phones of the year. Now moving away from Apple, now let's look at the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This has been absolutely one of the best pieces of tech that has been released this year. Partly because of the new foldable display, which you can have a portable phone and fold it out into a tablet, which I think is pretty cool, and it's a good hybrid between a phone and a tablet. So yeah, the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Maybe going a bit off topic here, but I could not finish this video without talking about this Tesla Cybertruck. Well, now just look at this beauty right here. It is the nicest, sleekest looking car that I have ever seen. Plus it's electric, and this is definitely a futuristic design. This is something that I don't think any other company will try to mimic, as this is just amazing. And yeah, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, comment down below as well. See you in the next one.